For this gadget I got here a Zippo Max Striker ferrocerium rod fire starter. Okay, let's cut this open. So this is pretty cool. Locks in like this. You have 2 layer grips you can put a string over, and opens up like that, and there you go. Let's shave off a little bit. Whoa, this is quite sharp. Nice. Whoa. High power striker right here. I'll hold it this way. And is this replaceable? I wish it would be unspinnable, and that way you can just buy a new one to spin it back up. Maybe they come off, but yeah, super cool. This thing will last your lifetime usually, unless you hike all the time and only use this thing to start a fire. I usually keep this as a survival station just in case. Boom. I mean, guys, look how powerful it is. I'm standing right here and it will hit the ground. Even the bats spark. The strikers, the flames hitting the ground. This is gonna be the most powerful striker. Look at that. If I get a good piece, you see, whoa. If I get a good strike, it hits the ground every time. Look at that. So obviously no problem starting a fire with this thing. It's beautiful.